So the document that I have on the screen right now is a view-only document. I've shared a link where it's view-only. In fact, the link that I shared in this Google Doc is up here at the top of the screen in the address bar. And so you can see it up there. At the end of it, it says edit USP equals sharing. And this is the link that has when I hit the copy button and pasted it into my document. But I want students to be able to edit this document. So I'm going to force them to make a copy of it and edit it. Here's how you do that. It's real simple. I'll change the end of the link and I'll delete everything back to the first slash. So you can see I'm deleting everything back, and I'll type the word copy. And this is the link that I want to share. So I'm going to put this in another Gmail account on a different browser, and then I'm going to paste it in. So when they click the link, this is the link that goes to the browser, and when it pops up, this is what pops up. And so they have to click on make a copy. When they click make a copy, it automatically makes a copy that makes them the owner, and then it can be editable.